Notch AI is a website that allows you to generate really captivating ads just from a link to the product. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, I've actually already created quite a few and they seem to be quite interesting. I'm really I find these kind of ads quite captivating because firstly, they're one by one, but they're also animated as well, which I think is quite interesting. This could potentially be the future of ads. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you all the ads that it generated. I just pasted in the product link for perfecting prompts, my 7-day crash course in the form of an ebook, and it generated these, which I think are pretty cool. I'll be honest, I can just add of course easily add some music behind the scenes here and edit this video and then actually post it as an ad. So really interesting platform. You can actually see the concept summary as well, and there's a whole lot of things you can do with it. You can publish it straight to Meta Ads, you can edit it if you want, and you can download it as well. So here I've got here I've got things that I can change. So in this case, let's say it would just be a link to my website, because from there they could navigate to the product, or better still, it should be perfecting prompts. There we go. It would be this display URL, website URL would be that, and then it would just be that as well. Let's see if that's gonna work. Cool. Okay, it seems like it keeps defaulting to that, probably because this is just an add-on from that. Cool, but very interesting platform. I think it's going to save a lot of people a whole lot of time, and it's definitely going to be useful for a lot of people.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So definitely check it out. All you need to paste is the product link, and it's going to create that for you. You can also check out the USPs for all the for your product that you can actually use in terms of ad copy and for promotions and stuff like that. You've got different kind of personas as well that you can create or that will be created automatically. So we've got one here, marketers and creators. Let's see what we get on this page. So we've got the situational context, significance, user quotes, ad headlines, all this kind of useful stuff. And as you can see, there's a whole lot of other things you can look at here on the left, including your competitors' ads as well. So definitely check out Notch. I think it's a great platform, definitely helps speed up the ad creative process.
If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.